What's up, everybody? Racing TV here, and today we got some brand new Hot Wheels. Today we got the Garbage King Lawn Block, and then we have a Hot Wheels Motor Show 5-pack. Okay, we're gonna start off with Lawn Block, definitely one of my newest ones. Looks like there's supposed to be 4 people in there, and there is. I have custom small block of the Lego version, and then I have small block. So this is the Lawn Block. Wow. I really do like the car. I really like the go with moon type of design, and like the extra design with the characters in the inside too. Let's see what it can do on the Mega Garage. Oh, hit the 69 Chevelle. Goes right on in there. And it goes right back down. Okay, so that is Lawn Block. That's actually a really cool car. I really do enjoy that one. Okay. I don't know if I have kitty scissors around here. I really love Matchbox packaging so much. There they are. Because I hate destroying it, so let me cut it off camera real quick. Is it just me, or why is Matchbox packaging so much thicker? Hold on, I'm having some difficulties. Alright, I think I got it. Oh, wow. It doesn't move, but it's Garbage King. Definitely a new of my favorite Matchboxes for sure. Awesome vehicle. Plastic right here and metal right here. Basic, it's a basic plastic base, metal top body, and then plastic on the rest. Alright, let's do him on the Mega Garage. Pretty loud. Does not make it all the way. But overall, it's a Matchbox. Matchboxes are Matchboxes. I think I did a hack for you guys right there. Do not screw up their packaging to make it so nice. I feel like I just made that hack up. Put it with all the others. Alright, now we're getting on to the huge 5-pack. I promised my grandma if I get this word, this is quote, I'll do the dishes for an entire week if I can get this pack. Well, it just has like the basics like the Lamborghini, the Aston Martin, the Ford, and a Lotus. But there's something in here that got my eye, and because I never, ever seen it, ever. But let's get off with the Lotus. So this is the Lotus Agera. Love the blue. Hold on, let's move these guys real quick. Yeah, I say he's pretty good. Go with all the others. This is the Lamborghini Huracan LP 610 4. Pretty basic design, not going to lie. But yeah, it rolls pretty good. At the end, we'll roll all of them all together. Next is a 17.4 GT. Purple. Pretty awesome vehicle. Pretty reliable, I believe. Alright, this is the Aston Martin Falcon Project car. That's what it says on the packaging. Oh, let me get the packaging. Where is it? There it is. I'm not lying, it literally says official license project. I don't know what that means. I am not a big Hot Wheels guy. Maybe. Anyway, that is in the Aston Martin. So, throughout my collecting for the past 2 years, recollecting, there was always this one car brand I've always been trying to find, over the most hardest car brand to ever find. It's not Lamborghini, not Porsche, it's not Aston Martin, it's not, definitely not Ford. Definitely depends on the Lotus. It is the S5990 Startrolli, and that is my very first ever Ferrari I have ever collected. So yeah, definitely a big one. So let me get all the cars. Alrighty, they are all here. Let's let them go. Oh, that looks good. Alright guys, this was the unboxing video. Brand new vehicles today. So thank you Grandma for letting me get them. Mr. Broke Boy over here. Me. But anyway, our next cars will probably be Hollowback and the Vowatsky. I think that's how you pronounce it. Next to get sometime. But anyway, those were the top 2 basic cars I wanted to get. And then that was the 5-pack. So guys, make sure you check out all the other videos I have done. Also, I just want to say, make sure that you pick a car for this upcoming tournament. Go to the 32 tournament Decide Your Ride video that was released today as of this recording. So please go check that out and choose your ride. So yeah, everybody have a good day. Keep on racing and have a good one.